Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'll talk through all the steps when you're buying CFDs. We'll just look at CFDs today. I'll go through all the steps and all the numbers you need to look for from A to Z. Okay, once you've got the web application open, again, the mobile application has all the same things, all the same features. It's just in a slightly different format. You search for the instrument that you're looking for, so the company or the commodity. For example, if I am looking for Virgin Money, I actually did invest in it earlier. You open up the chart. I'm just going to remove all those drawings. Okay, this is what I'll give you. Now, when I'm buying or selling something, the first thing I do is go to the instrument panel. Again, you'll see this on the mobile app. Scroll down. The first thing I look at is the leverage. Okay. Leverage is, because it's a CFD, it's based on leverage. So you don't pay the full value of the shares. You only pay a deposit. What that means is currently Virgin Money is trading at its buy price is 0.99. Okay. So if I was to buy 100 shares, that should cost me £99. However, I'm not going to pay the full £99 because I'm getting on leverage. To work it out as a percentage, all you have to do is 1 divided by 5 times 100 and it gives you 20%. So I only have to buy 100 shares, I only have to put up 20% of the value. Okay, so almost £20. And I'll show you. So what do you do next? The next thing is to buy the shares of commodities at the price you think is appropriate. So there's a couple of buttons up here: new market order, pending order. Pending order is like an automatic transaction. It's not manual. You set the price to buy or the price to sell and it automatically fulfills that for you. So we're going to go to new market order. Now if I put 100 in here just to show you guys. Okay, 100 shares should cost us at this very moment £98. However, it's only costing us £19.68 because you're only paying 20% of the value. Now, just to show you guys an actual trade, let me put in 10. Okay, so 10 shares is going to cost me £1.97. Now, there's a couple other things you can do before you confirm to buy. I always set this because I've done my research before. So you can do a take profit where if it reaches that price, it's going to automatically sell. So you don't have to always be watching the market. So if I say, if it goes up 50p, okay, so get to a price of £1.48, that's going to give me a profit of £5. Another thing I'll always do to manage a risk is put a stop loss. So my stop loss is if it goes down by 25p, okay, I'm going to get out. So it's going to give me a total loss of minus £2.50. Okay, and then all you have to do once you've set those parameters, confirm buy. Now the reason why it's in a loss is because there's something called spread. If I open up the new market order, you can see the buy and the sell price, there's a slight difference. It's about 0.0034 per share. Okay. So what that is a cost of doing business. That's the profit the broker takes because it's not a zero spread. If it's a zero spread, then the broker makes nothing. So generally for CFDs, there'll always be a difference between the buy and sell price. Okay, let's say you want to sell your shares in Virgin Money or whatever instrument it is. All you have to do is close your position and you'll see the same process on the mobile app as well. You just press this and it closes automatically. Okay, then at that time I made a loss of 0.05. Okay, now to maximize your profits, you don't have to always buy. So buy is going long where you think the price is going to go up. You can do something called sell, okay, or called going short. So again, you only use this if you think the price is going to go down. So if I put my quantity of 10, okay, I can set these parameters: take profit, stop loss. So take profit, I can say if the price goes down by 10p, okay, and it gets to 0.88, I'm going to make £1 profit. Stop loss, so if it goes the other way, if it actually does start to climb, again, I'll put that as 10p. So if it climbs up, it's going to give me a loss of minus £1.06. So if it gets to £1.09, that's my loss. Confirmed sell. So that means you're going against the market. You think the price is going to drop. Now again, if you want to close your position, you just press this and it's closed. Another thing you need to be aware of, if you go to the instrument panel and scroll down, the short position and the long position, okay? And it's called the swap. Now, it's the cost of overnight funding. So if you hold it per day, this is how much they're going to charge you if you bought. So you're going long, they're going to charge you that much, 0.000558 pence per share. It's a very, very small amount. All you have to do is that number times by however many shares you have. That's the cost in pence they're going to charge you to hold it every day, okay, until you sell. And again, the short position swap. So if you've sold, you're going against the market. That's the price they charge you for overnight funding per share. Again, it's going to be pence. It's going to be pennies. It's not going to be a lot. Okay, even if you had hundreds of shares, it's not going to be a lot. The last thing I'll show you is a pending order, which I use a lot on the markets I'm quite comfortable with. So this is you set your parameters. So there's an automatic transaction. You don't have to watch the market and wait for it to drop or wait for it to go up. It does it automatically. So again, 10 shares, and you can set it. So I want to buy when the price gets to 95p, so 0.95. Okay. I'll also do my take profit and stop loss. So take profit when it hits £1, I want it to sell. No, let me do that again. So when it gets to £1, I want it to sell. Okay, so it's going to give me a profit of 50p, and I'll set a stop loss. So let's say if it gets to 90 pence, it's going to give me a loss of 0.49. It's going to take me out of that position. Confirm buy. Now that will be in your pending orders section. So if I go to my pending orders, you can see I've got a couple others. So if it gets to a certain price, I'm going to buy and it will automatically sell. So I've set those. That saves me a ton of time because I don't have to look at the markets. I might set a couple of price alerts as well to notify me when a certain price is reached. I hope this helped, and please like and subscribe to my YouTube videos, as this encourages me to make a lot more for you guys. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.